Hey, let's show them what we're about tonight. Let's go. You see on me, you see on three. 1, 2, 3. You see. Green 3, green 3, green 3. 300, 300, 300, Vegas. Come back. Blue 2. Hey, blue 2. Blue 2. Second. 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 Down. Second. Down. Second. Look quick. Look quick. 60, 60, 60. Hawaii, Hawaii. Second. Touchdown! Let's go, boy! Hey, they can't stop us. They can't stop us, boy. I got you, boy. I feel like there's a guy on the left.
It's more the guy on the left.
Yeah, I feel like it is.
Because if you snap it when the guy's too far away, then it, you know, the defense can read it. And you should have saw them all coming and just.
Caleb made a nice catch on that one. That's what I threw it behind him because the backer just flew out. He went right away.
Just keep doing what we do. We're gonna score. Yeah.
300. Jesus, Jesus. Purple 11. Purple 11. Red 7. Red 7. Red 7. Second.
Number 7, get 12 power.
Second. Second.
So that pass is complete.
You good? No, you good?
You know what's surprised? They thought it well.
I know.
Everything's still good on offense. They can't stop us. Just do your thing. Stay calm. We're good.
Lock up. Let's go. Hey, let's get a stop. Watch the jump ball.
Hawaii, Ohio, or Hammer.
60, 60, 60. Hey, Lake. 550, 550. Be ready for it. Second. 300, Dodger. 300, 300. Second. Second.
Hey, we gotta score. Anything on Thursday?
Huh?
Anything on Thursday?
No, you guys are doing good. Hey, we're starting. Hey, Rogers, rodeo.
Brought down by.
Second. Second. Abdullah up. Abdullah out. Rib weak. Plastic. Just block. Second. Yeah!
Quick work of the gap. No surprise, the pass was to
Hey. Hey.
It's a touchdown.
I love football because competition and all the brotherhood that we make with the team. I mean, it's so great being out here every day with these guys. I mean, I love it every single day.